Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and today we solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 234 palindrome linked list. So it's a very easy problem to solve and we'll be using two pointers approach to solve this problem. So we'll first check out the problem statement, then look into the approach which you're going to use, and towards the end we'll see the code as well. So starting with the problem statement, it is given that given the head of a singly linked list, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So palindromes. So palindromes are are a string or a combination of letter words or numbers, which will be read same no matter if you read it from the front or the back. Okay, so for example, in this case, we have 1 2 2 1. No matter if you start reading it from the starting or from the end, okay, it will end up being the same number. So we have to check if the singly linked list is a palindrome or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use two pointers approach to solve this problem. And so there are various ways to solve this problem, and we'll be using two pointers because it is one of the most optimized approach. So what we will be doing is we'll first check out the middle of the linked list. So the idea behind this is, let's assume we have array, okay, with 1 2 2 1. What I want to do, I want to break this array from the mid and want to reverse the other side. Okay, so if you do that, you will have two sub arrays with same numbers, and you can easily compare these arrays, right? These are the two sub arrays. Okay, so this is what I want to do, and we'll be using two pointers to use this approach. And what I'll do, I'll use one slow pointer, and the other one will be the fast pointer. Okay, so the slow pointer will move one step at a time, and the fast pointer will move two steps at a time. For example, in this case, let's say both of this started from the head. Okay, in the next let me give S and F. In the next step, slow pointer will move to this is the slow pointer, but the fast pointer will be at this node. Okay, why? Because we have moved two steps, 1 and 2. Similarly, in the next step, this slow will go here and the flow will overflow basically. So this is nothing but a none node. So your this is your slow pointer now, and this is your fast. You cannot go any further than this. So this is the point where you want to from where you want to reverse the list. And if you have solved the Leetcode yesterday's Leetcode challenge, it was about reversing the linked list. So we will be using the same approach, and you can check the same solution out in the I button. So I'll be linking that video down at the top. So we will be reversing the linked list from this point. So now it will look something like, so this is my original list. It will remain as is. Okay, so we have 1 2 2 1. But what we'll do, we'll create a new list as well, reverse, let's say, and that will be just of this part. Okay, and in the reversed order. So we'll get 1 and 2. Now what we will do, we will just simply run a loop, like, or traverse the linked list like we do for this linked list. And if all the elements or all the nodes are same, then we can say okay, it is a palindrome. If not, we will say okay, no, it's not a palindrome. For example, if we had 1 2 let's say 3 and 1 again. Okay, so if you break this, you will get 1 and then 3. So these two are same, but these were not, right? So you'll get no or false as a answer for palindrome, but this is a valid palindrome. So this is what we will be doing. Let's check out the code. It's a easy problem to solve. So yeah, there's not much going around in the code as well. So if you see what I have done, I've created a helper function to reverse the linked list. We'll check out this in a minute. This was the main method of the question, in which we are using two pointers, slow and fast, and both initialized to the given head as we saw in the explanation. Next is we are tracking the fast pointer, because that will the pointer which will be moving out of the range. Okay, and at each step we are moving the slow pointer by one, and at each step we are moving the fast pointer by two steps. So as soon as your fast pointer overflows, you will know that slow pointer is pointing to the node from where we want to reverse the linked list. So once we have that node pointed by slow, we are calling the helper function. And what we are doing over here, we are just simply swapping the direction of the arrows, if you want to visualize it, or in theoretical terms, we are making the next element as the previous element of all the nodes. So this is what this helper function does. After that, like we'll get a reverse linked list as we saw in the explanation as well, and we will just simply run a loop and we'll match out all the elements of both the linked list, the original linked list and the reverse linked list. If all the elements are same, then we will return true, because this loop will get over and will come out of it. Otherwise, like if any of the element is not same, then we can say no, it's not a palindrome, and we'll return false from there. From there itself. Let's check out the test cases. As you can see, the test cases got clear. Let's submit it for further evaluation. Also, one more thing, like this is a very popular question for most of the well-reputed companies. So, and as you can see, the solution was accepted. We performed fairly well, I would say. So yeah, this was the solution, guys. Thanks a ton for watching out the videos. Stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.